Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited Company. Today we are going to demonstrate the Otica made first aid box. So you can see the first aid box 360-degree. Company has given two holes over here to hang the first aid box, and it comes with a proper identification mark on the box, and we are going to slip it over. And company has given, this is the polycarbonate, which is very good, and it will not going to break because this is not glass, and this is well safe to transport, to travel, and it will be long lasting because it is a polycarbonate. Company has given this two key, one spare key and one regular key. You can open it here. There are three compartments of a different size, as well as company has given two screw with the grip, so you can use it and you don't require anything else to buy from the market. After the lock, you can keep the keys on a safer area. The company has given two standby keys, and the key can be used as a handle. You can open it like this and close it like this, and you can see this is the 360-degree of the first aid box. This is very strong. You can see we are using this, but it will not going to be damaged because this is a polycarbonate, very strong material, so it can be long laster. Thank you for watching.